Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, I want to talk about 3 stocks on sale for 2024. I always think it's smart to go into the new year with some sort of game plan or strategy so you can make as much money as possible. Now these 3 stocks that we're going to be talking about today, in my opinion, carry a ton of long-term and even potential in 2024. And on top of that, the reason why they're on sale is because they've sold off from their highs. So we always hear this expression of buy low, sell high. These are the stocks that are going to be on the low, in my opinion, that carry a lot of potential. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. And if you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, exciting news. We just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about strategies and how I find stock and my mindset. It's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading and trading needs. I'll put it down below. We're doing a holiday sale for the end of this month, so make sure you guys check it out. Link down below. So starting off with stock number one. Stock number one for me is OPRA. Ticker symbol OPRA. For some reason I had a brain fart. The reason I love OPRA is, one, what this company is this is an AI and software and search engine company. So they're a competitor and they're highly invested into artificial intelligence, competitor with Google, Meta, Microsoft, all those, giants. But the reason I love Meta is, one, we've seen great growth. The stock has gone from $3 to $28. We did get some sell off here, but on top of that, we get great growth. It offers right now about a 6% dividend, which is incredible for a stock that's $13, making it super affordable for a lot of people to invest in it. Not to mention, as we go and we look at, some of the fundamentals, you guys will see the revenue is up 20%. We've seen a ton of increases in revenue. We've seen a little bit of some volatility among the cash flow, but overall, the operating income is up, the net income is up. So I'm super excited to see where this stock goes. On top of that, what's cool is the EPS is up 125%, the earnings per share. Also, another reason I absolutely have been buying a bunch of it lately is it does have some pretty hard support near and around 1070. So we've been buying a bunch of this. I think that this is going to be a fantastic one for dividend investors or whether you're a long-term growth investor. Artificial intelligence right now is rated to grow at about 37% annually for the next 10 years. So if OPRA can make some money off that, that's going to be fantastic. But on top of that, the software and search engine is really cool, and I've used it in the past, and I'm excited to see where the stock goes. We'll see what happens with it, but definitely one on my watch list here for sure. Stock number 2 for me is ticker symbol DIS, also known as Disney. Now, in my opinion, I think Disney right now is severely undervalued. You guys will see that it does have, some tendencies of getting some buying pressure at about $90. So right now could represent a good time to buy it on some support lines. We do have that price support right there as well as that 200 moving average. Another reason why I love it here is looking at, the long-term chart. You guys will see it sold off from $200 all the way down to about $90. On top of that, we're buying it really undervalued. Disney just announced their dividend is back, as well as, the CEO is starting to come out. He pretty much said that in 2024, Disney is going to be investing billions of dollars into their parks, cruise lines, and instead of just having all these quantity movies, they're really going to focus on quality. I think this is going to be super important for Disney, as well as focusing on Disney Plus again, because in my opinion, I think Disney over the past couple of years has been just producing so much content, and it really lacks the quality that Disney used to have. And I think in 2024, we're going to see that turnaround where they start making some better movies. And I'm very, very excited to see where the stock goes. Looking at the revenue is still, up 5%. We've seen the past couple of quarters, we've seen increases in revenue. Operating income is up 248%. The net income is up, 173%. As we scroll down, the cash flow is up 90%. So, right now, in my opinion, yes, it's sold off for good reason. They've lost a bunch of money from box office movies, but I really think looking back, in 2 to 5 years, we're going to be wishing we would have bought Disney at these prices. It's sold off from its highs, and I'm very, very excited to see where this stock goes. Now, the last stock that I do want to talk about is ticker symbol TSLA. Obviously, you guys know I'm a huge Tesla bull, but you guys will see it sold off from its highs from about 414 all the way down to 255. One of the main reasons why we've gotten so much sell-off among Tesla, in my opinion, is because the gross profit has been cut. Tesla has been cutting the prices of their vehicles to compete with these interest rates to pretty much, if you have high interest rates, people aren't going to want to buy a car. So if you lower the car price, that's more of an incentive to buy, a car right now. On top of that, another issue that we have with Tesla is there is some conflict with the tax credit going into 2024. It's unknown. There is some people saying that the $7,500 tax credit that you get granted when you buy an electric vehicle is going to be cut in 2024, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with this. In my opinion, Tesla is a fantastic play for AI software. On top of that, they're, in my opinion, the leader of the electric auto space with their revenue being up 8%. We also, in my opinion, carry a ton of potential. I understand we see a lot of volatility among, the cash flow and some of the other things. Tesla has done a great job with a variety of, staying afloat. A lot of people thought this company was going to get annihilated when in reality, they're doing relatively decent for, increasing deliveries. They just released the new Cybertruck to compete with the F-150. So I think 2024 could be a huge turnaround for Tesla. Obviously this is a growth stock, so it's a little more risky, a little more volatile. All these ones are, but they're all going to be a little risky, a little volatile. But in my opinion, I really think looking back in a couple of years, we're going to be wishing we would have bought these stocks at these current prices, and we'll see what happens. 2024, in my opinion, is going to represent a fantastic opportunity to buy stocks at their lows, whether we have a crash or a recession. If we do have a crash, just buy stocks at a more affordable price, and that's what I think is going to happen. And just be a long-term investor, and you'll be all right, guys. So hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my swing trading course. And we'll see you guys later. Take care.